my art. I already did some. Like, here it is. I'm now at the antennas, and hi, hello. Tell me how your day is, or how was this ending? Because it's not now like night in my country. I know October in Livy's country it is like a morning. I'm not exactly sure where Livy lives. I think it's America. I think October lives in America too. His, like, one of the bios said it, one of the links said it. I actually feel such a creep for knowing that. Sorry. That's too dark. Actually, you guys know like the lemon tang dance. I will be doing it. Because when I finish my VMAX, since the filter is like not really covering my face, and it's actually really bad, the filter I use. What the hell was that, bro? What sound did I just make? Anyways, now we like act a second antenna. I'm really not gonna shade this one because it doesn't really need shading. It's like just a background character, to be honest. What's this? No. Aren't these supposed to be connected? Anyways, so we're at the bow tie with this. Like, is this supposed to be tying? What type of person ties like that? It actually reminds me of spaghetti. Also, why did I make V like add these blushes on her? It's like the trend where it says welcome to someone's name channel, someone's name challenge. Now we add makeup. Bake. Cake. I think it was like that. It's actually so ridiculous. Do y'all know the Sans one? That genuinely made me cackle. I think that's how it said. So this animation is like going to be a Russian animation. I really don't remember the name of the trend, but it's like, she showed my picture to her mother. What did she say? She says, I am weird. She says, I am weird. She says, I am weird, and I don't deserve to be with you. But of course I'm gonna make a shell vision. This is Shelly, and this is me, okay? I love cats. That's what I added. That's why I added it, okay? Cats. I love cats so much. Now, so I actually deleted my second video of me doing this art because it was so damn corny. Like, my art was actually so bad. If any of you saw it too, you would genuinely throw me into a locker. Genuinely, you will throw me straight to the locker because it's so corny. Sobs, because I will never be funny as Little Billy. She's so damn funny, actually. And especially like one of her troll videos. That's it. October, I know you're watching, twin. Like that. What even is this, bro? It's her top. Bro, this is supposed to be connected. Did I get a brain damage while doing this? Okay, let's render it, I guess. I'm such pro at rendering, trust me. I'm genuinely not like the world's most bad rendering person in the world, on the whole wide world, and I didn't get a Guinness record for it. Okay, that's how horrible I render. Also, if you hear like any sounds from my parents, please ignore it, please. I don't think they're really hearable, so yeah. Also, October twin. I know you're watching. I know it. I feel it in my heart. Even though I haven't seen the comments yet, I know it. I know it. I know you're watching. I feel it in my heart. It's plumping. It's plumping my blood. I'm so dramatic right now. That's why I act like this around my brother when he pokes me. Yeah. When my brother poked. One time, my brother hit my leg with a basketball, but it wasn't really like it wasn't really hard hit. But my dramatic started screaming. I rolled all over the bed, covered myself with the blanket, and acted like screaming, crying, screaming. It was genuinely so damn funny. It's funny how over dramatic I was. Sorry, I coughed my lungs. Every time I talk like too long, I start coughing. What? Coughing. I genuinely don't know, bro. I'm not American. Coughing. I genuinely cough. Sorry, I think I said a racial slur there. I genuinely don't know what I said, but the basketball thing was really satire. I'm not like 5 years old, okay? He said like, are you okay? What the hell? It really was like a sibling thing. We were just joking around, so don't take me like I'm a 10-year-old, a baby, or something like that. It's because I'm really childish in real life, but my parents treat me like I'm an adult. I'm so silly, right guys? Then I was shot 37 times. Life is so good for me. Not really, though. Sometimes when my brother's around, it's really not good. But anyways, let's go back to my art. Look how I think it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. If you're wondering what the hell I'm cracking, it's my fingers, bro. Ooh, wow. It looks so professional. Let's go on the tail or something. Big. Cake. Wait, guys. Let's add makeup to me. What the hell am I going? Right. Wait. More. Big. Cake. Wait, no, she needs like pink blush. She's a girly girl. Just remember this, I told you. Baby, cake. I like that makeup TV. Makeup to lips. Lipstick. Then let's add like longer eyelashes. Where's like the fashion thing? I draw like eyelashes with this thing. Oh my god, it's so thick. Wait, boom, boom, boom. Guys, look at Diva. Look at the Diva here. I'm genuinely starting to lose interest with. No. I'm joking. Let's add. This thing is looking like the freaking sun, bro. Why does her lashes look like the freaking sun? What the hell? Your eyes look like the freaking sun. And I still add like that. I don't know what the hell this is like. But yeah, like added to skin as makeup. I don't know. Look at Diva here. Then delete this. Anyways, back to the normal artist we are. Guys, you need to go back here. Go to your parents. Anyways, where was I? Oh no, it's delete the whole body. I need to make. Oh wait, I need to make the whole body. Guys, please tell me I'm funny. I'll be depressed if you say I'm funny. I'll be mad and depressed. I will go tell my mommy and daddy. They will genuinely not. They will not give a flying duck. Anyways, grow up. It's just the internet. Then they treat me like I'm a dog, bro. What kind of logic is that? So it's looking peak. I feel like this is gonna get so low likes because no one ever sees my video, bro. I take like 5 hours to make them, each one. This looks pretty nice actually. Wait. Oh my gosh. Let's just like add the darker thing here. Okay. It looks fine. I already made that. I think we were at the tail. I just need to make our pants and this, and we're done. The video is ended there. Oh, that. Also, the tail is so messy, like. Yeah. Just reminds me of something, but I don't know. Why is it tall as a Burj Khalifa? Why is it so tall? I just remember V-Style being taller than the Burj Khalifa and the Statue of Liberty combined. Don't test the Alpha Sigma female accent. Don't test the Alpha Sigma female. My parents are probably wondering what the hell I'm doing in the bedroom at like 10 p.m. I genuinely don't know. How much time did I use genuinely? Then someone called me 10 billion times. It's like I know that's not a real number. That's obviously not a real number. Guys, I'm joking. I know 10 billion is like a number. Oh my god, I look so peak. This art is so peak. Right, guys. That's what I thought. Yeah. Also, Livy, if you're watching this, leave hearts in the comments, Livy. Yes, leave hearts in the comments. I see you. I see both of you. And October and Livy. Both of you. I see it. Yeah. I see it. I see both of you. Grr. Oh, I'm the Alpha Sigma female. No one ever. Oh my god. I feel like I can't breathe actually. There's probably something stuck in this. Then let's just add the color these stickers. Also, October, if you're watching this, leave cats emojis in the comments. Oh my god, my throat genuinely hurts. Oh, look at that cute kitty. Let's draw the ammonite fossil now. Remember guys that everyone is peak and tough. Everyone who watches is peak and tough. Yeah. You are peak and tough 20. Especially October and Livy. You are the toughest person. Also guys, who wants to join the October glazing community? The rules are like you glaze October, go to his channel, subscribe to him. Subscribe to him. Comment on this video, like the video, and genuinely do anything to glaze him. I'm the leader of the October glazing community, the president. Yes, you are meeting an president of like a community. You should be extremely happy. I'm like a K-pop idol. I'll never be a K-pop idol because I can't really keep my face straight at serious moments, and I'll forget every line in humanity possible. I forgot to color her pants. Oh my god. No. Wow. Also, shout out to Livy Billy for making me a extremely cool outfit of. Where's the other arm? Oh, the other arm is painted with like a microphone. Did I invented a new word, microphone. It's I genuinely don't know what it means actually. in one layer I'll just remove the microphone and just paint it on. So tough. Waiting to do it. Look guys, this is like the final layer. I'm genuinely not showing you the other parts because I know none of you will stay. I know none of you will stay. It will take like hours for what? Hey guys, look. Wait. Okay. Kangel. Yeah. Look. Where is Sigma? Where is Sigma? Thing. Also the part is censored because it shows like my phone number. So please don't break group. Also, I'm transforming. It's happening. I am the Alpha Sigma female. Oi oi oi, nerd! What are you doing? Kotchan, what are you doing? I came here to bully you. Oh, Jack, am I cute? The cutest in the world. When we first met, I was scared of you. I didn't know how someone could smile while doing such horrible things. I thought it meant you liked being awful around the people. Oh, Jack, am I cute? Shut the fuck up. Anyways, guys, bye. If you like this, hit like, subscribe, share, and genuinely get out. Why? Get out. Okay, guys, I ended the video. Bye. Just gonna zoom into your sorted forehead. Bye. 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 Yes, I love you. Bye.